It's a beautiful day, why don't we fly away? Let's let the wind become magic wings. This is where we belong, our hearts beating so strong. We can touch the sunshine and very blue sky. Hey, from the top, fun never stops. Don't be surprised if you find true love. This is the life you're dreaming of. What a beautiful sight, cities glimmering lights, stars and never-ending heavens above.
Remember the pure joy of being high up in the sky? At Parade 2 Tower Residences, you can live this exhilaration every day. The magical Skybridge Lounge soars over city heights with sheer glass floors, party amenities, and new heights of luxury. Rise up to Parade 2 Tower Residences. See more at cityplace.ca.